Greetings to you all, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be doing exercise 1.5 from student B's perspective. However, as I mentioned, some of the questions are way too straightforward in a way that you cannot make many solutions out of it, right? So what we're going to be doing here is to come up with a solution from student B's perspective. Exercise 1.5b. Then we add the main method and then we go finish. Okay. Let's see what student B will do, okay? Student B's solution is more readable. However, student B, everything is the same as student A's solution. However, the difference lies on the print statement, on the println statement. You see, if you run this, this is what you get. So how the user gonna know where does this number come from? What does it mean? So if you wanna make a user be a bit comfortable with the program, it's better we show him or her where does this number come from, right? So this is what we can do. This is our answer, and then you can simply go equals, and then you run your program again. You see, now at least the user knows where does this number here come from, unlike the way we did on exercise 1.5a. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. See you on the next tutorial. Cheers.